All right, guys, so we are going to start writing, and we mentioned yesterday that we're going to begin the writing process for the next 4 weeks, right? So we're going to be writing a personal narrative. Now, personal narrative, all it is a story about your life, right? Something that happened to you that you find important, or maybe it was a big thing that happened or something you did, right? So yesterday, what we practiced doing is we were brainstorming. So we were taking all of our ideas and we were putting them on our brainstorming sheet, right? And if you didn't do the assignment yesterday, then you are behind, right? And you have a lot to catch up on if you didn't do yesterday's assignment. So yesterday, we started the personal narrative. You should have, can y'all see my screen? Davina, this is the second time I'm asking you to put away your phone, ma'am. I don't want to see that cell phone. All right, you should have had the screen open to your writing process. You should have put your name on the first slide, right? And all you did yesterday was your brainstorming. Jolena, pay attention, please. Now, when we brainstorm, you're supposed to come up with ideas or topics that you might want to write about, right? So these were my ideas that I thought of. Now, what you're going to do today is you're going to pick one of the things you thought of. Now, for me, I want to make sure I pick something that I know a lot about, right? Don't pick something that you don't remember. Don't pick something that you can't tell me about. You need to pick something that you're able to tell me a lot about, right? And this is how you're going to show me you pick something. You're going to click right here. Do you see these two shapes? And it even says shape if you hover over it. Do y'all see that? So you're going to click shape. You're going to go down to the call out. So it's the third one. And then over here is the, so you're going to click on the star, and then you're going to draw a star like this. Okay. And then if you want to color in your star, you just click on it and you click on the fill color, and you can pick any color you want. Okay. I'm going to make mine red. Now, when you draw your star, you can put it on whatever you decide to talk about, okay? So for me, my story is going to be about the time I cut my chin open, because I have a lot to say about that, right? I remember exactly what happened. I know where I was. I remember who was there, right? I'm able to give a lot of description to it. So make sure, boys and girls, you choose a topic you know a lot about, okay? So you can choose whatever it is you want. Another way to add a star, you can click insert, image, and then search the web. And when you're on the web, you can click star. And that's another way you can add a star, okay? But I need you to show me your star so I know which one you picked. All right, now for today's assignment. So if you haven't done this at all, you're brainstorming, you have to do this first, okay? In order to do today's assignment, because for today, it's Thursday, September 3rd, and we are going to practice remembering the details. So when you click on the slide, I'm wanting to know more about your topic. So right here, topic, all that is what you chose up here. So whatever you put a star on, that's your topic. So I'm going to type the same thing. The time I cut my chin open, I'm going to write it right here on the topic. The time I cut my chin open. Okay, that's going to be your topic. Now I'm going to try to remember everything that happened. The first question says, who was with you? So my mom, my dad, and brothers were with me. The second says, where were you? I was at my house. That's the next one. The next question says, when did it happen? It happened the night after my birthday party. And then what happened? Now, when I ask what happened, I want just like a really quick explanation of what happened. You're not gonna like tell me all the details, but like for me, I was running down the hall and I slipped. I'm not answering questions right now because if you're late, I will answer at the end, okay? Can I finish first? Okay.
Yes.
So it was running down the hall and I slipped, right? Then the last question over here to the left says, how did it make you feel? I felt scared and I was crying a lot. Okay, so this is all you're doing for today. This is your only assignment. And then once you're done, you're gonna click turn in so Miss Waldy can see exactly what you're working on. Over the weekend, I'm gonna be checking your writing. Don't go on, okay? Don't continue. Does anyone have any questions?